Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing and totally free movie application to your Firestick. It has tens of thousands of the most popular movies and TV shows, and I believe it's even better than Netflix. In my case, I had to blur out the screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you exact movies available in the app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your device. So first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader right here. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. And to set up the loader, we actually gotta go to settings. So here we are, then scroll down and open My Fire TV. So let's open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, we'll go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So let's open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to Install Unknown Apps, open it. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And there's the Downloader application, which is set up and ready to use. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if we wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we have to open the Downloader application, there it is, let's open it. Then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and here in that search bar we have to enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, your code is not going to work. After that, we have to click on Go and wait until the website opens up for you. So here's the website, we just need to scroll down a bit until we see a list of categories. So here it is, and from the list of categories we need to click on movies and TV. So let's do it. Then a huge list of apps is going to open up for you, and here we are looking for BTV application. So there it is, you can see it on the screen right here. Let's click on BTV. Then probably some kind of ad is going to open up for you. If it does, do not click on open because that would mess everything up for you. Instead, click on close or on X, depending on what kind of ad you see. So click on close, and then a new web page should also open for you. Yep, there it is. We also need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. If for some reason it does not work and the download doesn't start for you, you can always use the backup download link, which is available just below the usual download button. So for now, let's click on download right here, and the app will be downloaded for you. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install, and BTV is going to be installed to your Firestick in just under a couple of seconds. So it should be done right now. Yep, it's done, it's over. And now do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we do not need it anymore. So make sure to always delete those unnecessary installation files. Click on delete and then delete once again. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Then scroll down, and here at the bottom you find BTV application. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way BTV is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use my link below the video, or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Now enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.